Now, any good claim will have evidence, and the evidence I like to use is numbers. Look at this Phantom wallet. Nearly $1 million are sitting there, and I have made all this money by using this one simple method. Not trading, but being a developer. Not making those tiny little profits, but squeezing every penny out of the coin. Stick around, and I'm going to show you the simple process that made me all of this money. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay guys, I'm really glad you've stuck around because that means that, like me, you want to make some serious money. Now, before I get into this method, there is just something that I want to talk about to you all. We can have a look at any of these charts because we've all been there. We've been traders at one stage, right? Even me. I was a trader and we were all trying to get that lucky buy. Now, take a look at this. The downward spiral on most of these coins is insane. Right there, all the way down. There's no way you can predict this kind of stuff. And if you were trying to trade on this coin, it would be an absolute nightmare. It's total guesswork. You have no idea. I mean, you can study some of the coins, sure. But to be honest, if you want to go into all this data, it's going to take you ages, and then by that point, you've missed your opportunity. I could take any one of these coins. It really doesn't matter. The story is always the same. If it isn't a rug pull, it's a really unpredictable market. So let's have a look here. Let's take jars. I mean, look at that already, and the more we stretch it out, the worse it gets. I mean, how as a trader are you going to figure out when is the best time to sell? I mean, look at this stuff. It's all entirely guesswork. Now, this is where we launch our own coin instead. The best part about this website, createcoin.fun, is that there is no coding required. You don't need a degree to do this. I've not had any formal coding training at all. Not in school, not in college, not in uni. I've not done any of it, and yet I can use this website just fine. It is dead easy, okay? And if I can do it, you can sure as hell do it too. But before I get into all of that, I just want to go back to Axiom and just talk about a few things. This is the pump market right here. Again, most of your coins are going to go into pump. The problem with it is that the market is just crammed. It's just stuffed with too many coins. Now, if I take pump off and go to the dynamic, that shows us the Matora market, okay? And let's have a look at the potential of some of these market caps. So looking here, there are still quite a few coins, but nowhere near as many as pump. And the best part is, look at this market cap for Tesla, 138 million. That is the possible potential for your coin on this market. And that's what Create Coin uses, the Matora market. So here is where you would make your coin, right? But before we do that, let's connect our Phantom wallet. So we simply click the button at the top, click on Phantom wallet, and boom, we are connected. So let's have a look at what we're starting with. I recommend starting with around about $100. This is 128 in my account here, but 100 is what's recommended. So you could sit here and put your name here, and you could put your token symbol here, and you can drag your image here. You can do what you like, do your marketing, everything else, making it from scratch. But to be honest, that's really hard because you need to do all the marketing. You need to get it going. So we are going to hit the copy trending button. Now, this is a secret tool on Create Coin that takes some of the hot coins right now, and you can create a duplicate, and no one in the market will know the difference really. So you can go in with all of that marketing already done, all that hot sauce already applied to the coin. So we can refresh a few times and just have a quick look. I like the look of this champions one, so maybe we'll click that one, but we'll give it another refresh just in case. Let's see, niche and mayhem coin. No, let's give it another refresh. There we go. Well, here's our champions one. Let's copy that coin, and you just simply push the button. You just copy the coin. Easy as that. Now, I'll copy this coin, and what will happen is you'll need to confirm this transaction. The request will initially be blocked, okay? You'll have to proceed anyway, and then you will hit confirm. This is a normal part of the process. I do this every time. You click that you understand, and then you hit yes, confirm as safe. That is fine, okay? So this is where we now need to put our money down. We create the liquidity pool here. Okay, so we have to open this, and the only number you're going to change here is the amount of souls. We've got our champ coin there, okay, but all we're going to change is the amount of souls. So I'm going to put in 0.2. I normally put in 0.2. That gets the job done. You can put in a bit more if you'd like, but 0.2 will be fine. And then we simply confirm that transaction. We put our money into the coin, and that's what gets us going. The moment we click confirm, a little bit of loading later, and boom, our coin is on the market. Here we are. So we can see a few details about our coin here, including the estimated value, the pooled tokens, and the pooled soul. Okay, so our estimated value currently is $16, but we are going to click the boost on Dex Screener button here. Now, this will cost you 0.25 Sol, but it is going to be worth it. What it does is it kicks our coin all the way up to the top of the Dex Screener trending tab, so everyone is going to see it. Okay, so we confirm this transaction. All right, and once we have done that, it is immediately boosted. Now, the coins are already hot on top of the boost, which means we are going to have some seriously good results. So here we are. Here's our starting value, 1618. Let's go to Dex Screener real quick. Oh, flashbang. And then we'll have a look. Okay, so I've literally just started this, and already we have got some serious movement. Okay, this is great. The coin is hot. Now, this is a direct result of using that booster on top of the already trending coin. So these things stack, and let's have a look at some of these values here. Our volume is at 11.1k already. Liquidity up to 1.3k, just jumping up. The market cap 3.3, it was at 2.1. Look at it go. So here, guys, you are just seeing the results before your very eyes. This is how I've been making all this money, because I promise you, this market cap, the more these numbers go up, the moment I pull the rug, the moment I make way more money. Okay, this is how it's going to work. So volume has gone up 31.5k. So look at the transactions. We've got 790 transactions, nearly 1,000 transactions already. Traders are just rocketing up. We have got 413, nearly 500 by the time I'm finished. 500 traders who are just having a look at this coin. That's just the traders, let alone the transactions. We're having multiple transactions per trader. So you can leave this for any period of time you like. I don't tend to leave it very long before I decide to pull the rug, which is what I will show you now. Let's refresh our estimated value. Look at that. $830. That is incredible. Starting at 16, finishing at 830. The pooled Sol, we started at 0.2. We have 10.2. I can't even quickly maths that. That's incredible. So hit the minus button, 100%, and remove that liquidity. All that money in that coin comes straight back to us. That's exactly how this works. We hit confirm because we want that money to go straight into our wallet. So we're going to have a quick look at my Phantom wallet now, and we'll see what kind of profit we're making. So we start off 120, 877. Serious money being made here. Now, if you leave a comment, subscribe, and a like, I will be giving away half of the winnings of this video to one lucky winner. But please, guys, try this method out yourselves.